Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is an election petition, my lord. In item 1, my lord, I am alleging, my lord, there were some corrupt practices and impersonation of voters, my lord.
Dead voters had come in.
Sorry, madam.
Dead voters had voted.
Dead voters.
It's good. They have come and voted. Why are you having one thing?
There was impersonation, and also, my lord, my polling agents were not allowed to sign on the EVMs later while closing in one polling station. These allegations, my lord, a notice may be issued, my lord.
Heard Mr. P.D. Nair, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner. So this is an application under section 80 and 81, right?
My lord.
80 from 80 and 81
My lord.
of the Representation of People's Act 1951, questioning the election of, what is his name?
The returned candidate.
Respondent number 1 to the Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly from which constituency?
11 SEPA West.
From 11-SEPA West bracketed ST Assembly constituency. Also. Issue notice returnable on. You have taken the steps along with this?
Yeah, I filed, my lord.
Kitty,
After 4 weeks, my lord, registered post.
4 weeks. Where is the affidavit to that effect that you have filed the extra copies?
My lord, it is required, and my lord, the affidavit that it is in compliance. A separate affidavit that we have
Don't
filed
file a
copies.
separate affidavit.
No, that is not required. We have filed along with the petition, my lord.
But I think an affidavit is called for.
My lord, from page 68, my lord, from page 66, my lord, 2 affidavits. One is on the paragraphs and all. Then page 68, my lord, is the other affidavit of corrupt practice. If we allege corrupt practice, my lord,
Then you'll have to file an
yes,
affidavit.
that is at page 68, my lord.
An affidavit to that effect that you have also complied with this is not
That
required.
is not required. Because the registry will not accept if we don't. That is there in the section.
Mr. Nair has submitted that along with the present election petition. Copies for service of notice upon the respondent number 1 was also filed with the registry of this court. So accordingly, registry is directed to issue notice by way of registered post with AD upon the respondent number 1. So when?
My lord's availability.
No, because normally 4 weeks will not do because the services will not become. We will give them at least 6 weeks. We'll have it on September
17, if it is okay.
You want it on 17th?
17.
Okay, 17, 9, 20, 24. For but wasted to list this matter on 17, 9, 2024. Done.
And if my lord is not available in this bench, my lord, could you please be seen?
Can it be in the first half of September?
My lord.
Huh?
My
Let it be on the 4th.
4th of September.
4th of September. 4-9.
There is a holiday in 4th.
Fourth
Oh,
day.
here it's not a holiday.
There is holiday.
Principal said it's a
So you are paid holiday. It will be a paid holiday. 4-9.
my lord, deeply advised.
Same,
my lord.
sole respondent.
Sole respondent.
And
16 actually.
16
Yachuli.
Near towards 0. Yachuli SD Assembly Constituency. Now I'm getting to understand.
My lord was there last week.
Last week I was beautiful. I enjoyed that.
It is.
Money 0 is very good, but I enjoyed more the trip to 0.
Yes. The roads
large potential yes. For tourism. Those sites you don't get everywhere. 16 Yachuli SD Assembly Constituency. My wife and daughter were very, very pleased with me. Okay,
Uh,
same day.
My
Same
lord,
day.
if I could switch off the VC.
Switch off.
Lordship, this is a matter of frequent transfer.
After 7 years, one transferred, how can it be frequent transfer?
No, Lordship, I am the petitioner.
That only that order has been now stayed.
Lordship.
You are required, people love you, the
Lordship.
public interest demands
Another
that
lie,
you should
there
be
is
there.
no project pending. Another lie.
People are in so much love with you, they have written letters. See, you are such a big man. Huh?
There is no project pending. But in fact, what has happened in this intervening 10 days, that public exigency has been.
Your Lordship, I
The original order is Annexure 8, 17/7/24.
six, Your Lordship.
No, sorry, Annexure 6,
Yes.
34, Your Lordship.
12/7/2024.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship. Common transfer order.
Okay. But
No, Lordship, my impugn order is at the modification order is
page,
Page 38.
Annexure, then
38,
page
page
38.
annexure 10.
Nothing is here. What is this? Somebody writing you abdicate your power. Huh? Then you will also have to consider the other representation against the private respondent. But we don't want him here. And that is signed by more people. If that be the consideration for your transfers,
Yes, Your Lordship.
why are you there? You put a public notice, which officer you want, people will say, put them there, sign it. Produce the records.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Until that time, we will stay this annexure 10. Because he has made a statement that he has already joined.
Yes, Your Lordship. As per
Heard Mr. K. Saxena, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. Also learned counsel appearing for the. You are appearing for all the respondents or standing counsel, whatever it is?
except
private
5, Your
respondent.
Lordship.
Huh?
Except 5, Your Lordship.
Appearing for the. You are standing counsel, whatever it is?
No, Your Lordship.
Government.
Government advocate.
Government and okay. Full stop. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Full stop. The petitioner prays for an interim direction in the matter. At the learned councils for the parties on the interim. Oh, issue notice question. Petitioner to take steps for no formal notice be issued. It took 1 to 4. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respond number 5 by way of registered post with any steps within 3 working days from today. So, petitioner has prayed for an interim direction in the matter. So, heard the learned council for the parties. So, the petitioner who had served at Kangu section for about around 7 years was transferred from Kangu section to Likabali section wide an order dated 12/7/2024. The respondent number 5, who was working as junior engineer in Likabali section, was so transferred to Kangu section in place of the petitioner hearing. A perusal of the order dated 12/7/2024, wherein the said transfers were ordered along with transfers in respect of other officers, seems that the same was so done on an examination of the exigencies in service and of the exigencies arising in the matter. So thereafter, it is seen that the petitioner, thereafter, the petitioner contends that he had, on being released from his earlier place of posting, had joined at Likabali on 15/7/2024. The assistant engineer, water resources, what is this SD? Subdivision.
Subdivision.
Likabali, wide an order dated 17/7/2024 had required the petitioner as well as the respondent number 5 to complete their handing and taking over of charge within a period of 10 days so as to ensure that no work remains pending. So it is contended by the petitioner that he had thereafter assumed the charge of the post and was working in such capacity at Likabali. So, thus, the petitioner received a order dated 22/7/2024, by which, in modification of the transfers as ordered in case of the petitioner and the respondent number 5, while the order dated 12/7/2024, they were required to be retained at their earlier places of posting until further order. Also, the order dated 22/7/2024 does not reflect as to why the same was so necessitated when the earlier orders of transfer as the earlier posting orders as ordered, while the transfer order dated 12/7/2024 was on account of administrative exigencies arising in the matter. Also, in view of the above position, the learned government advocate is directed to produce the records wherein the transfers were so processed, as well as the order dated 22/7, impugned order dated 22/7/2024 was so issued for perusal by this court. Also, till the next date of listing, the order dated 22/7/2024 in respect of both the petitioner, as well as the respondent number 5 herein shall remain stayed. Further orders as may be called for in the matter would be so passed on the appearance of the respondent number 5 and on perusal of the connected contemporaneous records. Done. Mr. Tapin,
Yes.
is your university is also subject to a subordinate?
No. No, your lordship. What I'm
Just
saying,
show me that university is a subordinate office. And the post of assistant registrar is also a subordinate post.
no, your lordship. In this case, I'm not challenging the post.
And
of-
what is your right? What are you claiming? Are you an applicant?
No, no.
Then,
I'll clarify your name.
huh?
Let me try to justify your lordship.
Huh? Show me the act first,
Yes.
2018 act. And show me what is your interest. If you're not an applicant, God does it or devil does it, what difference does it make to you?
This is the APPSC Act.
Is
Lord.
it,
Yes.
huh? Is in the nature of a PL?
No,
Then
writ petition.
show me your locus.
What I'm saying, your lordship.
You show me your locus as to why, how you are affected by a recruitment involved in the matter.
Yes, your lordship. Now, your lordship, what I'm saying is that in a democratic setup,
Forget the democratic setup. We are not interested. We are interested with strict questions of law here.
yes. So, the Article 21.
What is your interest here? What is your locus here?
Article 21, your lordship.
How does it affect you?
Because I have the right to live in a society which is fair and healthy,
Fine.
where the
How does this unfairness come in? Are you alleging malafide against those people in the university?
yes,
How?
because by not handing over the recruitment process to the concerned competent authority, they have their malevolent interest.
Fine. Any candidate who would be affected by this, if he comes, we will examine. We'll not examine at your instance.
But your lordship, kindly let me.
Sorry. Show me the University Act.
There is nothing in the University Act.
Show me the University Act. Show me any provision therein which makes it subject to the orders of the government for recruitment.
It is
It's
there
an
in the-
autonomous body
It is
and it
there-
has got nothing to do with the government.
Your lordship, it is there in the APPSC Act. Which is there-
APPSC Act would be organizations under a department which is controlled by the department but is autonomous in nature.
No, section 4, your honor, of the APPSC Act. Yes, because the 4, your lordship.
Hmm.
Notwithstanding anything contained in any other laws for the time
4.
being, yes. Page 2,
Section 4.
yes. No, 4, 6 subclause, section 6 subclause.
No, so and so, so and so. Okay.
Anything contained in other laws for time being in force or rules, regulations, so and so. The departments, organizations and autonomous bodies, your lordship. established or constituted by the government and semi-government organization, the board shall be the authority to competent to conduct examination for appointment to the subordinate posts of such government departments, organizations, and autonomous bodies, Your Lordship. So although the
Okay, fine, we got it. Now you show me your locus.
so my
This is not a PL,
no, not PI.
then show me your locus.
So what I'm submitting you,
You show me your locus, man, sir. We'll proceed then.
So what I'm submitting is that I have a right to live in a society.
You
where the-
live. If you have any problem like that,
Yes.
any violation of
So-
Article 21 takes place, come before me.
If the person is visiting the,
That,
No.
how does it affect you under 21? How is your life affected? Somebody is appointed in the university.
Your Lordship, that is what I'm trying to convey.
Huh.
Your Lordship. Now, if the person is not following the due process of law, it is visiting my right to live in a healthy society.
Then I think you should change your society. Simple. You show me your locus.
Because Your Lordship, a wrong done to a person.
You show me your locus, Mr. Counsel.
That is my submission, Your Lordship. Because
We'll dismiss.
in this case, Your Lordship, I pray that I may be given liberty to file through appropriate provision.
That I cannot. Because if somebody else comes, this will not be a bar. Yes, Mr. Tapin, what do you say? Is the university assistant professor also
No.
involved in this?
This morning I was spoken to the authority in APS.
Oh.
We are not lordship conducting the activity.
Mr.
Your
You
Lordship,
want to withdraw? I'll dismiss.
I'll withdraw, Your Lordship, but with liberty, Your Lordship, kindly.
We have no liberty. When I hold that you don't have a locus, if somebody else comes, there will not be a problem. You can itself file. There is no res advocata, it's res judicata. Do you get my point? There is no concept called res advocata. That means an advocate cannot appear in the same matter for two people in different proceedings. There is no bar.
Yes, sir.
There is res judicata. If the same man comes back. Okay. Heard Mr.
K. Taja.
Huh?
K. Taja.
K. Taja, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. S. Tapin, learned counsel appearing for the all the respondents or respondent number one. One. Mr. Tapin, on instructions, has submitted that the Arunachal Pradesh Staff Selection Board does not conduct the recruitments as recruitments for posts available in the exclusive control of the available in the Arunachal Pradesh University Pasighat. Also, thus, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. Prayer accepted, writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. Can't help it. I understand your ideal may be very, very, very clean, but we are bound by certain
Yes,
principles of law. Can't help it. Sorry for that.
Number 5.
But the learned counsel for the parties want to file. We'll proceed expert in because that's the last order.
No, Your Lordship, we have filed. I'm for the state, Your Lordship.
We're fine.
Yes, Your Lordship.
1 and 2 has filed. You have received.
No,
We
I'm
have not
for,
received
Your
it.
Lordship, 3 to 12, Your Lordship.
Okay. 1 and 5, 1 and 2,
1 and 2 did not.
1 and 2 filed.
No, my lord.
Then expert.
My lord, actually, senior counsel, DHJM Kato out of station, my lord.
Can't help it. You will have to file an application. Failure on the part of the respondent number 1 and 2 to file the affidavit in the matter on or before 26/7/24, the matter shall be proceeded ex parte against the respondents. So it is seen that the respondents number 1 and 2 have not filed their affidavit in the matter, whereas the who have filed, others have filed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Whereas the other respondents, that is respondent number 3, 4,
Your Lordship, 4 to
5,
12, Your Lordship.
6, 7 and all,
No, Your Lordship, 4, 5.
other respondents in the forest. In the forest. Other respondents, who has filed?
Your Lordship, except for 7 and 8, others we have filed. 4, 5, 6, 9,
Okay.
10.
Full stop, has not filed the affidavit. Full stop, in that view of the matter, the present proceeding shall proceed ex parte against the respondents number 1 and 2 as directed by this court via order dated 27/6/2024. Registry to list this matter again for admissions after 2 weeks on a 2 weeks by.
Number 6.
Here, your lordship. We
Mr.
need,
Karam, affidavits have been filed.
No, Lordship.
no, your lordship, the affidavit is ready, your lordship. The deputy commissioner has sought some time. Your
You're
lordship.
1 and 2.
Yes, your lord, 1 and 3, your lordship.
I can't because
Your
it's
lordship,
already expired.
your lordship, affidavit is with us, your lordship. It's
We
only,
can't. There is an order, categorical order.
I
File
un-
an application alone.
I understand, your lordship. but
File an application.
One last chance may be given to it,
Can't I, because there is an order.
because
Failure on the part of so-and-so in the matter on or before so-and-so as directed above, the matter shall be proceeded ex parte against them.
your lordship, this is the communication
I can't help it. It
received.
is seen. You file an application for recall of that order and permitting you, we'll do that. But see, some sanctity has to be given to the orders. Just passing orders will not do. Mr. Counsel, understand, your officer of the court, if I ignore this order, what would be the validity of my orders?
Yes, your lord, I understand,
Then-
your lordship.
They heard Mr. God, Learned Counsel for the petition, also so-and-so Learned Counsel appearing for the state respondents. It is seen that the respondents number 1 and 2 have not filed their affidavit. Till date, accordingly, in terms of the order dated 27/6/2024, the present petition shall proceed ex parte against the respondent number 1 and 2. Also, registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by. I'm giving you, file an application for recall of this order and liberty to file. We'll allow it. But there has to be a process.
Obliged.
Lordship, let this matter come up on the admission stage, Lordship. On the next date, let this matter come up on the admission stage.
Admission, I've said for
Lordship,
admission.
Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Number 7.
Your Lordship, this, the impugn order does not have the legal right to stand.
Hmm.
As it is admitted by the respondent number 2
Hmm,
in his affidavit
hmm.
in para number 9.
And you're not filing any rejoinder here?
No, Your Lordship.
No. Okay, fine. We'll have it for admissions. Mr. Nabam,
My lord.
it was for rejoinder today. We'll have it for admissions.
Well.
Also. Third day, Learned Counsel for the petitioner and also Mr. R.H. Nabam, Learned Counsel appearing for the state respondents. Also. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he would not be filing any rejoinder in the matter to the affidavit filed by the respondents. Also, accordingly, registry to list this matter for admissions when? When?
Any date, my lord.
You give me a date, I'll fix it. Because it's already there, it can be disposed of. Eight.
8.
Yes, Mr. Boro. Any matter?
Item number 8, my lord. I have to respond number 2, my lord.
Please, my lord, I appear for petitioner.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, I want to bring the attention of this honorable court to section 112.
Pleadings have been completed.
Yes, my lords, pleadings are complete. We were originally, my lords, by an order of 12/7/22 in Guwahati.
There
We
was
were
an
granted interim relief. And then, my lords, the issue of whether alternate
appearing
remedy
for?
would be barred.
Respond number 2, my lord.
Response number 2 is the CGST.
Yes, yes.
You filed your pleadings here.
Well,
Any more pleadings required, Mr. Counsel? Any more pleadings required? No pleadings are required.
No, my lord.
So
They
we can
filed
fix
a
it.
reply, we filed a rejoinder.
We can fix it for final disposal then?
Yes, my lords.
When? Any date suggested?
Whatever is of convenience of my
Anyway,
lord.
we are here. It's your convenience. You can give us a date. Mr.
My
Boro,
lord, any date in the next week or in the week after?
Out of 15th of August, my lord.
no. He wants it from week, next week would be 29. Can it be on the week starting from 5th?
Very well, my lord. Either
Uh,
the 6th or the 7th would suit, my lord.
6, 8.
Sixth, my lord.
6, 8.
And my lord, there are orders of interim relief to continue.
We will continue. Heard the learned counsel for the parties. The parties have submitted that the pleadings in the matter is complete. Accordingly, raised to list these matters again on 6/8/2024 for admissions. So, can I make an observation that an endeavor would be made to dispose of the matter? Both of you are ready to
Yes,
agree,
yes.
argue?
Yes, ma'am.
An endeavor would be made to dispose of the matter on the next date of listing.
My lord, my name may be reflected in the cause list, my lord.
Okay. Raised to list reflect the name of Mr. Borok, learned counsel, learned CGC, Appearing
My
for-
lord, Junior Standing Council, my lord. Junior Standing Council,
Junior Standing Counsel,
CGST.
CGST,
Yeah, my lord.
in the.
My lord, the interim orders to continue, my lord.
On the next date of interim orders passed while this court on 12/7/2022
22.
shall continue till the next date of listing.
Grateful, my lord.
Thank you.
Grateful.